Hey guys, Wayna here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some stuff that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I told you guys in the previous video, I am organizing everything. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I picked up and I'm going to show you how I'm using it to organize my place. Hope you guys are staying coronavirus free, washing those hands, and not just the coronavirus, the flu too. Because nobody's talking about how many people the flu has killed. And it's much higher than the coronavirus. So just, stay hydrated, wash those hands, and get your vitamin C, say your prayers, and stay safe. I'm going to show you guys the first thing that I picked up. And it's super simple, but if you are renting and you're afraid to put big holes in the walls, I thought that this product was really nice. And it's just simple push pins from the Dollar Tree, but it's really cute because you can hang like little small things like your keys or like something like this with a little lanyard, necklaces, just really cute little small stuff. It's super simple. It has like a little angle to it, so it's not easily to come out of the wall once you insert it. And it's only $1. And if you wanted to use this on your pegboards and stuff like that, you could do that as well. They're just really nice to have, little push pins. And these were only $1. Can't beat it. Nice little hook shape. I just picked them up. So the next thing that I picked up were these cute little binder clips. And what I like about these is that it's like multiple sizes. So it's a nice little assortment. But I like the binder clips because whenever you're trying to organize papers, it's like, for me, I will always sort the papers out. And then maybe a few days later, if I don't sort them and put them away right away, they're all mixed up again. So I like having the binder clips, as well as I like to secure my folders, the folders that just have the two sides. I like to put my binder clips on the side of those. That way, none of my papers are falling out and everything looks really, really neat. It kind of makes it into an envelope. So I like these, and you can use these for multiple things, chips, bags of chips, if you want to clamp something in the pantry. I've seen people hang stuff upside down. It's just a lot of different things you can do with it. But this has helped me get my papers organized. Now, number 3 is kind of random, but I love magnets. And this little black magnet looks so modern to me. And I was thinking about what I can put on my refrigerator. And as I was going through cleaning out everything and trying to just get everything organized, I found this, what is it called? It's like a checklist for groceries. And I got it a long time ago, but it had like this blue backing and like the top was blue. So I took that off, and it had hardware that actually held the notepad together. And then I just clipped it on the refrigerator. So now if I'm out of something, or if I'm going to do my grocery shopping, I can just check what I need and then do my grocery shopping from there. So even if you don't use it for a grocery list, it's just really nice to have a very sturdy magnet for $1. Never know when you're going to need it. And if you have lockers at work or at school, it's really nice to have also. I picked up some pipe cleaners, and I don't like the fact that they're like all these crazy colors. I would have just preferred regular black, but these I had in mind for my cords. I had a full B-roll clip of me organizing everything, and you saw how messy my cords were, and then they went from messy to neat. But my hard drive crashed, so I lost that footage. But I just wanted to show you guys. I want to show you guys what my cords look like, and I am very satisfied with this. I know where everything is, and on top of that, not only are the cords organized, but if I want to use it, I just unravel it and it's going to stay on there. So I really, really like this method. Yeah, I wrapped it around a few times, and then I like to store my cords in an up and down motion, not in a circular motion, because I forgot where I seen this, but it supposedly causes short in your cable wires. So I like to weave it back and forth, and then I just wrap it around, and boom, nice and contained. And then the last product that I picked up were these gold thumbtacks. And I know this is not organizational, but you know, I can't help myself if I figure out some type of decor idea. And I did. So you know how these are really shallow? If you push them into the wall halfway, you can put like a piece of paper or cardboard paper. So say you don't have a frame for your artwork, you can make a studded frame using these thumbtacks. And all that I did was, like I said, push them in halfway, and then I set the paper on top of it, and then I went around it right on the edge, and then I just slid it in halfway so that it could kind of create a border, and it looks so cute. And I stopped at about 6, I want to say, but you could add as many of these thumbtacks as you want, and they make very small holes in the wall so you really can't even see it. But I really did like the fact that it just gives you like that studded look. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys plan to use any of these products, and let me know if you have any ideas on other ways to use them. I always value you guys' responses and your ideas as well. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I will catch you guys in the next organizing video because I'm getting it all together. Bye guys.